everyone, I'm Evie. Today let's look at this HELI forklift. This model is CPCD38-Q25K2. It is a strong and useful work machine. First, look at the forks. This forklift is 1520 millimeters forks. They are thick and firm. It can carry heavy goods easily. Next is chairs. All chairs are slope chairs. Slope chairs do not go flat. They are safe and well. It can work on all kinds of ground. This forklift runs steadily. It is easily driven. Many factories and warehouses like to use it. It can help you finish work. We have more details about this machine. If you are interested in it, you can please contact me. More brand products are coming soon. Stay tuned. Next time, see you again. Thank you for your watching.